Wayne County Public Library. Today's DIY Friday project is something perfect to do for the summer. We will be making an herb drying bag. And I actually learned about this little DIY project from this book here in our collection. It's called Crafting with Herbs, and it is by Debbie Wolfe. So thank you, Debbie Wolfe, for this idea. This is really simple to do, and it makes collecting dried herbs a breeze. So you only need a couple of things. We need a brown paper lunch bag, one for each herb you plan on drying. We need a single hole punch. You need some sort of marker, and then rubber bands, and then of course your fresh herbs. And I brought in some rosemary from my garden. So the first thing we are going to do is fold our paper bag in half lengthwise, like this. And now we're going to punch 2 rows of holes down the bag, but you don't want to get anything in that base. So, stop when you can tell that it's a little thicker down here. All right, so we're going to unfold our bag. It looks like this now. And now we're going to use our marker to write the name of the herb at the top so we don't forget what it is. This is rosemary. Voila. Now we're going to gather our herbs and place them in the bag with the stems poking out. So that means it's going to look like a little like this. So I have the bulk of them in the bag. I have just a little bit sticking out. We're going to scrunch right here like this. And then we're going to secure at the top with one of our rubber bands. With just a little bit of the herbs poking out. And that is literally all you need to do. I'm going to relabel it because I put my name too high. Right? But after that, you're going to hang this bag in a cool, dry area out of direct sunlight. It's going to take 2 to 3 weeks for the herbs to dry, depending on the humidity in your area. I am from Ohio. We are used to pretty high humidity in the summer when our herbs are growing. But once these are dried, you can pick or crumble the leaves right off of the stems right into the bag. So I've made herb drying bundles before that essentially have the herbs drying loose. Having them in the bag lets it be really easy. You crumble them right into the bag and then move them from the bag into an airtight container to store once they're completely dry. And that is all there is to it. Do this for each one of your herbs, and you should have plenty of herbs through your winter until you can grow them again in the next summer. All right. Well, thank you for joining me for today's DIY Friday.